wherever you are watching me from. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so okay, as you guys can see, I'm just coming back from school. I went and dropped my son at school, so I'm going to my house right now. I'm walking with my legs. I want to go and prepare jollof rice. So guys, come with me and let's cook together. See you later. Ciao. Wow, the weather is so good today. That's everywhere. Okay guys, I'm walking with my leg. I'm going to my house. Let's go and prepare jollof rice. Okay guys, see you later. Okay guys, here is my blended tomatoes, my fresh tomatoes and my scotch bonnet pepper. I just boil it, then I'll let it dry very well. And here is my chicken. This is African chicken. Then I added my seasoning. I add onions. Then I leave it to cook for about 30 minutes. You can still cook it like 1 hour because this chicken is very strong. It's different from the one you actually see at the supermarket. Then I put my pot on the fire. I added my groundnut oil. My groundnut oil, just add, depends on how you want it. Then I poured my onions. I fry it for about 8 to 10 minutes. You have to fry it very well so that you will get the taste you want. So I fry it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then here is my tin tomatoes. This is actually Italian tin tomatoes. It's not like Nigerian one. So I added my tin tomatoes. I stir it for about 5 minutes. You have to stir it very well. Then later I added my cooked tomatoes. I mean my fresh tomatoes that I've already cooked. So I added it together, as you can see here. So you have to stir it and stir. So I leave it for about 10 minutes again. So you just need to stir it very well so that even the onions and everything will cook together. Then after that, you have to leave it for some minutes. So I added my salt, my curry powder. This is African curry powder. Then I added my paprika forte. This is Italian paprika. I love it so much. This is the water that I used to cook my chicken. So I just poured the water so that it will give it a good taste. Yeah, you have to stir it very well, as I'm doing right now. You have to stir it very well. Then after that, you just need to cover it and leave it for some minutes. Then guys, this is my rice. This is foreign rice. In Africa we call it foreign rice. So you just have to wash it. I wash this rice about 3 times. I wash it 3 times. You know you have to wash it very well so that you can wash away the starch. Then after that, I poured the rice inside my stew. You can see it now. Be careful, guys, when you are cooking your jollof rice. You just need to be very careful. Then I added a cup of water. Can you see that? Then I leave it to cook for 48 minutes because I did not boil the rice. Okay, that is the reason why I leave it for 48 minutes. Then you just have to cover it and let it cook. Finally, this is my jollof rice and my chicken. I did not have to fry the chicken because I've already fried my tomatoes. So I just added my chicken. Look at it, it's so delicious. Very, very healthy. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And please do not forget to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Just look at my jollof rice. It looks yummy. Buon appetito a tutti. Ciao ciao. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much. Till I come your way again. Bye bye.